Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Honda CR-V 2.0 i-VTEC ES 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently run 64,425 miles and it's finished in the colour deep sapphire blue. It does come with 7 previous services, it has been well maintained and it's a very lovely example. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have the side steps here making access in and out super easy. You do also have a tow bar here so you can tow with this CR-V. It does come with front and rear parking sensors making parking super easy. Here in the boot you'll find 442 litres of boot space, which can be increased to 955 with the rear seats down. You've got a removable shelf there which is very practical. Here inside to the rear you'll find your gorgeous part leather and Alcantara seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. You've got a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with 2 cup holders. Here up front you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you'll find some controls for adjusting the radio. On the right you'll find your cruise control and also your controls for the trip display. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your radio. You've got access to FM and AM radio along with USB connectivity and a CD player. You can also access traffic informations there as well. Down below you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control, which is very easy to use. Your 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre. You have your handbrake down below there, and behind them you'll find your heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.